Mystical Milk Color. Formula 1. 1 part Chi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color 4C plus 1 part Chi Color Generator 10 Volume plus 2 capfuls Chi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color Orange Additive. Formula 2. 2 parts Chi Chroma Shine Orange You Obsessed plus 1 part Chi Chroma Shine Mellow My Yellow. Formula 3. 1 part Chi Chroma Shine Mellow My Yellow. Step 1. Color the roots with Formula 1. Step 2. Color the lengths ends with Formula 2. Step 3. Color some strands in the front with Formula 3 on top of Formula 2.